Hi guys, my name's Keith, welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Today we are down at, well, kind of a beach. The main beach is down the coast there a bit. We're sort of further down the beach so that we could bring the dogs. My wife is currently tucking into a picnic. You can see here, lots of food. Say hi to the YouTube viewers. These are our dogs as well, so this is why we're down here, so that we can bring the dogs. And I thought, what a perfect time to do some droning. Trouble is, it's really, really windy, but we're going to give it a go and get the drone up. Hopefully the weather will hold out. It's quite stormy at the moment out to sea, but we'll get the drone up and see what footage we can catch. Okay, so we've flown the drone for about 40 minutes, used up 2 batteries. It's constantly fighting the wind because it's so windy, so the battery times don't last nearly as long as they're meant to. But it's very, very stable. I'm surprised how well the Mavic Pro handles the wind because it's not exactly light wind today. Anyway, what we're now going to do is we're going to do some active tracking. My sister-in-law is walking the dog down the beach, so we're going to try some active tracking the wind and see how the drone handles it. Okay guys, that was ActiTrack, and as if on cue, a guy on a jet ski came along with those banana boats. Not there's anybody on it today, because spittering with rain, and it's quite cool. But I thought I'd get some shots of that. That was completely manual flying, which I'm quite proud of, so I hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, it's beginning to rain really hard now, so we're going home. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit subscribe. As I said, I make loads of videos around photography, drones, and the odd vlog here and there. Anyway guys, take care, happy flying, and goodbye.